How to run an analysis with the 908 Devices VipIR.
Let's see the VipIR in action. Optimal analysis mode on the VipIR is Smart ID. Simply choose this option to initiate an analysis. Follow the on-screen prompts. Click Continue after cleaning the sampling area to collect the background. The background removes environmental and instrument contribution from our final spectrum. Next, place the unknown powder on the sample analysis area and lower the press to ensure good contact of the sample with the sample analysis area. Simply click Continue to begin the analysis. The FTIR is the ideal pre-screen to the Raman, as it will not energize the sample. The Raman collection begins immediately after the FTIR is finished. The sample does not need to be moved to perform these analyses. After the Raman collection is finished, SSP is engaged and more than 39,000 spectra are searched with input from both the FTIR and the Raman. The power of SSP is evident here. The green check marks indicate that the first three components have been identified by both of the two technologies, resulting in a very high level of confidence in the identification.